Today I will teach you how to crochet a Christmas snowflake with a festive atmosphere. It can be stuck on the wall or glass during Christmas as a small decoration. It can also be used as a small pendant. The thread used is a 5-strand milk cotton. The crochet hook used is a 3.0 mm crochet hook. Next, let's learn together. First, wrap 2 loops above your fingers. Then insert the crochet hook into the starting loop. Pull out a loop. Crochet a standing stitch. Then crochet 12 single crochet stitches in the starting loop. Wrap 2 loops again. Thank you, everyone. After crocheting 12 single crochet stitches, we tighten the loop. Then crochet a slip stitch to connect with the first stitch. Then crochet the second round. First, crochet 3 standing stitches. Then crochet a double crochet stitch in the next stitches. Then crochet 3 chain stitches. This completes one set. Then crochet the second set. First, crochet 3 chain stitches. First, crochet hook around the yarn. Insert into the next stitches. Crochet 1 double crochet. Then insert into the next stitches. Crochet another double crochet. Then crochet 3 chain stitches. In this way, we have completed 2 sets of patterns. The increase pattern for the next is the same. 2 double crochets, 3 chain stitches. Continue crocheting in a loop. Crochet a total of 6 times. The increase pattern for the next is the same. Please like, subscribe, share, and support with tips. Subscribe, share, and support with tips. Crochet hook around the yarn. In the previous big hole, crochet 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, then crochet 4 chain stitches. Then crochet hook around the yarn, insert back into the same needle, then crochet 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet. In this way, we have completed one set of patterns. Then start crocheting the second set of patterns. First, crochet a single crochet on top of the previous 2 double crochet stitches. Next, in the large gap in front, crochet a half double crochet first, then a double crochet. Four chain stitches. Then continue to work back into the same stitches. Crochet another double crochet. 1 half double crochet. Like this, our 2 flower motifs are now crocheted. Following the same method, a total of 6 sets crocheted. Crochet 2 more sets. Crochet 3 more sets. Crochet 4 more sets. Crochet 5 more sets. Crochet 6 more sets. Crochet 7 more sets. Crochet 8 more sets. Crochet 9 more sets. Crochet 10 more sets. After crocheting the last set, join with a slip stitch to the first stitch we made. Then start crocheting the fourth round. First, crochet a foundation chain. Then, work a half double crochet into the stitch. Work a single crochet into the next stitch. Then, work a single crochet into the front double crochet. Work a single crochet into the next stitch. Then, work a single crochet into the large gap. Work a single crochet into the next stitch. Then, continue with 4 chain stitches. Then, return to the fourth stitch from the end. Work a slip stitch. Then, return to the fourth stitch from the end. Then, continue with a double crochet into the gap. A triple crochet. Then, continue with a double crochet. 7 chain stitches. Return to the 6th stitch from the end. Work a slip stitch to join. Then, work into the 7th stitch from the end. Place a marker. Then, continue with 7 chain stitches. Work into the 7th stitch from the end. Work a slip stitch to join. Continue to crochet 6 chain stitches. Back into the 6th stitch from the end. Crochet a slip stitch. Continue in the marked stitches. Crochet a slip stitch. Continue into the space. Crochet a triple crochet. A double crochet. Then crochet 4 chain stitches. Back into the 4th stitch from the end, crochet a slip stitch. Continue into the space, crochet a single crochet. Continue in the previous 6 stitches. First crochet 2 single crochets. Then crochet a chain stitch. In the next 2 stitches, crochet a single crochet in each. This completes one set of slip stitches. Next, we continue crocheting the second set of slip stitches. First, in the space in front, crochet a single crochet. Then crochet 4 chain stitches. Then return to the first stitch. Crochet a slip stitch. Then crochet a double crochet in the gap. A triple crochet. Then continue crocheting 7 chain stitches. Return to the 6th stitch from the end. Crochet a slip stitch. Then crochet 7 chain stitches. Return to the 7th stitch from the end. Crochet a slip stitch. Then crochet 6 chain stitches. Return to the 7th stitch from the end. Crochet a slip stitch. Then crochet 6 chain stitches. Return to the 6th stitch from the end. Crochet a slip stitch. Then in the 7th stitch from the end of the initial 7 chain stitches. Crochet a slip stitch. Then continue crocheting a triple crochet in the gap. A double crochet. Then crochet 4 chain stitches. Return to the 4th stitch from the end. Crochet a slip stitch. Then in the gap, continue crocheting a single crochet. Next, within the next 5 stitches, first crochet 2 single crochets. Chain stitch. Skip 1 stitch. Continue to crochet 2 single crochets. In this way, we have completed 2 sets of patterns. Next, following the same method, a total of 6 sets of patterns crocheted. After completing 6 sets of patterns, we reach the first stitch. Crochet a slip stitch inside. Continue to crochet 2 single crochets. In this way, we have completed 2 sets of patterns. Next, following the same method, crochet a slip stitch to join. Then crochet a standing stitch. Cut the yarn, pull the yarn end through, and hide the yarn end with a sewing needle. In this way, a very beautiful Christmas snowflake is completed. Thank you for watching.